So the basis ng June is kasi in 1969, I guess, June 1969, nagkaroon ng, I think, like a standoff sa New York City in the Greenwich Village. That's in Lower Manhattan. So if this is Manhattan, dito siya banda sa Greenwich. May mga police na I think a bit harsh sa mga performers dun sa isang bar which is called Stonewall. And then, nag-aklas yung mga performers, mga activists. And then yung pinaka-significant na part nung story na yun is they threw a brick towards the police. Tapos yun, it transpired into a few days of riots. And then, yan yung, hindi naman siya yung unang pag-aaklas ng LGBT community towards people of power, pero parang yun yung tumatak. So, since then, we claim that June, we celebrate our Pride Month to show that we exist, we're staying, and there's a lot of things to be done to claim our space.
It's actually very nice to know a little bit of history about that, no? And knowing that the reason why majority are aligning it with what happened in the US, no? Kasi ito'y mas sila naman din kasi yung larawan ng mga radicals, yung mga strengthening the rights of people, no? Not only limited to the LGBT community, but since in essence and in line with our topic, yun yung reason behind why it's being celebrated in June.